Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a trip computer, and cruise control. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.